Welcome back to Car Chat TV. My name's Oliver, and in today's episode I've got my hands on a brand new 2023 Audi A5. This is the 161 brake horsepower version, 2-litre diesel, 7-speed auto gearbox. I love the bonnet, I love the creases on this car. 8.4 seconds is what Audi say that the 35 S-Line trim can do. I'm just trying to find the where's the drive select? Sometimes there's a drive select. It's down here. Drive select. I've literally just jumped into this car. Let's put it into dynamic. Does that change much? Let's change it down a gear. I mean, it is diesel. Yeah, there's not too much kick. I mean, 8.4 seconds isn't a lot. But you know what? Visibility is pretty good. I love the way the bonnet kind of comes up into your view. Great visibility out the front. I love it when you put it in reverse. The wing mirrors automatically like tilt down. That was pretty cool. I know, simple things, right? Simple things. It's really comfortable. Suspension is well damped. Now the S-Line trim has a bit of firmer suspension, I believe, and you've got a little bit more aggressive styling. It's a great looking car. If you follow Car Chat TV, you know I'm an Audi man. I love my Audi cars. But so far, car handles really well from what I've noticed. Steering is great. Brakes are good. I do love the separate climate controls. I've got to be honest, separate climate controls. These buttons, they're so clear and crisp. You've got the heated seats either side. I can see my climate control. I don't have to take my eyes off the road. I know what's happening, because a lot of times now with manufacturers, they're digitizing everything, aren't they? And they're putting it all into the center console, the infotainment, not the center console. And because they're putting it into the infotainment, obviously it's a cost-effective technique, but you can't go wrong with good old-fashioned buttons, especially for safety as well. Right, I need to show you this. Camera quality is really good. That's the camera quality. You obviously got sensors there as well. I don't get any more. Just that one camera by the looks of things. Okay, let's put it into park. A little bit of the center console so you guys can see. But look, this is really well set out, really clear, crisp digital display there. Drive selects down here that you can use. It shows you there when you change them. Individual, efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic, which is the stiffer steering and more responsive. I'll leave it on efficient, put it into park. Let's jump out. There we go, Audi steering wheel. Change the view up. Virtual cockpit works a charm. Right, let's jump out and have a good look then at the Audi A5. Oh, and we've got it in white. I love these creases. You gotta look at those creases that go down the whole of the car from start to back. So the 19-inch alloys on this. Got the 3 little vents at the front, although they're filled in, which is a throwback to the rally car. On the Audi TTs they have there are actually like little scoops that you can go in, but these are filled in. Got the chrome grille there. I quite like the frameless ones, you know, but I am a fan of the design language of Audi. It just looks really cool. No fog lights in this one, just plastic inserts. So it looks pretty cool. This coupe looks cool. S-Line badges, and what I do love about these type of cars is they're color coded. No cladding on the side, just white seals, white bodywork, and it works. And the chrome works as well on this because there's not so much colours, doesn't look too busy. These lights are great as well, just extra sharp. In fact, we should look at the boot. Let's look at the boots. I think we've got 465 litres of boot space. I'll confirm that for you, but I think it's around 465 litres of boot space. Got a what's that? First aid bag. Oh, extra room down there. So yeah, put them seats back. Plenty of room. Boot space not a problem at all there. There we go, that one's covered up, and there's the exhaust, that one, that's interesting. So, and that one's just there, covered up. Here are the wheels, so pretty standard. They look good with the car though. Diamond cut. But I love the creases on this Audi A5. What do you guys think? Give it a little bit more of a 360, just so you can drink it in. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Audi A5. Good looking car. I'm in the back of the Audi A5. This is my driving position. I just wanted to see what it'd be like. Look at my knee room. Pretty good. Knee room is good. They've actually got little recesses in the back of the seat. I like to see that. I've seen that in other cars as well. It's not new, but it's cool. Headroom, not bad. I'm 5'11". That light is pretty annoying, right, but I think it's because I've got my front door open or whatever. Anyway, I've got a handrail, something to hold on to here. Seats are comfy, little bits of suede as well in the door. There we go, you've got this kind of steel insert there, black gloss, little speaker. That feels a bit cheap, but some space. The window's not massive, and a little window there. Have a look at these seats. Does that go through? No, I think the whole thing might move forward. Oh, no, it doesn't go through. Has it got not even any cup holders? All right, there you go, just a quick one. I saw the back window, just a quick one there. I mean, one thing I've noticed straight away, I mean, the car does look really cool in S-Line trim. Really aggressive, very sporty. Got that kind of low slung back coupe, but it just doesn't have the power. If you were looking for something a little bit more powerful, you're going to be going up, but you're going to be spending a little bit more money. This is the £47,000 trim, I believe, 47k. I think you probably I keep saying M4. The BMW 4 Series would probably be a little bit more playful. I think the one up from this, although this feels really grippy anyway, it sticks to the road. It's quite dry today, although it's quite dirty as well. And I like it when the road's dirty because you get to have a little bit of a play with the car. But this, for me, this is a cruiser. This car, if you are familiar with the Audi MMI infotainment, works really well. Although they've got it kind of stuck on the dash now, rather than some of it used to be integrated into the dash. This one's stuck on, like the Q5 that we got. And some of the other models, they have ones which are integrated. The Audi virtual cockpit works really great. All buttons, which I love. Suede seats, comfortable. Sat pretty, nice and low down. The car's very comfortable. It's really well damped. I thought it might be a bit stiffer, because I did read online that this one has a bit of a lower suspension, stiffer suspension, but still it's really comfy. I see this as a bit of a business executive car. You can, family as well, it works. There's plenty of space back there too. No sunroof in this one, which is a bit annoying. That does make me feel a little bit more claustrophobic, but you feel nice and low to the ground. You've got a bit of a sporty vibe, but this definitely lacks the power. But on the other side, you're going to get great MPG. 53 miles to the gallon for this car. Hooray! Diesels are still good. Diesels are still, diesels get a lot of hate, but diesels have a lot less stress on their engine because you get lower torque as well, and you get better MPG. So if you're doing more miles, get a diesel. Don't be afraid to get a diesel, and don't believe everything you hear about it. I love diesel cars, and this one so far has just been really cool, really chilled, great cruiser. I mean, I love Audis anyway. £47,000. What I say to you is, let me know in the comments, what would you rather get? Look at that, let's just give it a little bit around there. Oh, it does handle well. There's not much body roll or lean in this car. I think just because it sits low. This one's got the 19-inch rims as well. I believe if you get the trim levels down, they come with 18 and up. You can get bigger ones, but honestly, this car, every now and again, you can have a little bit of fun with it. Come on, I've got my foot flat, and and it's just, I would like a little bit more power. Now, in the quick time that I've had with the Audi A5, I think as soon as I jumped into it, I'm used to driving a lot of SUVs, but it's quite nice to be quite low to the road. I think just the design language in general, I said that weird, is I love Audi. I love the creases they have on the cars. They look better and better. And I've found that this version, this diesel version, is one that handles really well. It's very comfortable. I wouldn't really mess around too much with the modes. I've got it on efficiency at the moment because I want to hit, I reckon you could probably hit 60 mpg in this car, just cruising, going slow on your long business trips or business journeys. I just get that kind of business vibe with this car, because I think although there's space, family space, and you've got the boots sort of big enough, you can use it for, you know, families. But I don't know what it is, just get a little bit of a executive business vibe with this car. And it's just really easy it's really easy and simple to drive and get in there. The 7-speed auto gearbox is like a peach. It's super sweet and smooth. The car's quiet as well. Really, really quiet, because I know some people worry about sometimes with diesels, they think, oh, is it going to sound funny? But no, it's nice and quiet. Everything's really easy to use. But guys, you'll have to let me know what you think about the Audi A5. Overall, I found the car smooth, easy to handle, not a lot of power in this one, as it is the 35. It's actually mild hybrid as well, so that helps a little bit. But yeah, that's it. A quick one today. Thanks ever so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the Audi A5 down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I said that twice. Throw me a like already. Get a sub to Car Chat TV, and I will see you on the next one. If you've made it this far, thank you ever so much for watching. I've just popped up 2 more videos on your screen that you also may like. If you do watch one, let me know what you think.